Listen and repeat. You will hear 7 sentences. Listen to each sentence carefully. After the beep, repeat the sentence out loud. You have 7 seconds.
Welcome to the student laundry room. Please follow these simple house rules. You must use your student card to start the washing machines. Please keep the floor clean while you wait for your clothes. Do not leave your personal items in the baskets overnight. Check all of your pockets carefully before you put your clothes inside of the dryer. Remember to remove your laundry promptly so the next student can use the machine.
Take an interview. An interviewer will ask you 4 questions on a single topic. Listen to each question carefully. After the beep, give your spoken answer. You have 30 seconds per question.
Thank you for joining me today. Please think back to the last time you went shopping for something special, such as a gift for a friend, a new piece of clothing, or a household item. What was the experience like, and what made that particular shopping trip memorable for you? People have very different ways of shopping. Some people enjoy browsing stores in person for the experience, while others prefer the convenience of shopping quickly online. How do you usually prefer to shop for your daily needs, and why do you think you have that preference? Now I would like your opinion. Some people argue that shopping in physical stores is better because you can see the quality of products, while others argue that online shopping is far superior due to variety and price. Which do you believe is better for the average consumer? Why? One last question. Do you think local governments should provide more support to small, independent shops to help them compete with large online retailers? For example, Should they offer tax breaks or special events to encourage people to shop locally? Why or why not?